What's up, you guys? It's your girl Martini, and I'm fresh out the shower and I'm about to start my nighttime skincare routine. So let's put you guys on there. I want to try this mask first, but while I'm doing this, I'm gonna talk to you guys about like everything going on because the things. I know I'm like popping in and out with the vlogs and stuff, but your girl's been a little bit busy, but I'm trying as much as I can to put these out for you guys. But thank you for waiting and thank you for the patience. And thank you guys for all these subscribes. Like, thank you so much. Okay, guys. Back to the mask. So these collagen masks, I've used collagen before in the method of like just bottle, but I don't think I've tried a collagen mask before. Probably just like the collagen for your eyes. I was using these collagen eye patches, so really had good results with collagen eye patches. So definitely happy to see how the results are going to be with super collagen mask, like whole face. And we kind of see my skin right now. Details about my skin. My skin's oily and I do constantly break out when I'm about to be around that time. If your skin is like mine, definitely tune into this nighttime skincare because I use a lot of Korean products. Like my whole skincare is Korean skincare and Filipino skincare. So stay tuned. But anyways, we're gonna start with the mask. So the first thing that I like to do when I get out is use Eskinol. So Eskinol is a deep facial cleanser. I do typically cleanse my face when I'm in the shower with just regular African soap, but this is always cool for just like an extra step. I don't do this every day. I usually go straight to my toner. But this can act as a toner as well, but it gives toner, but it's not, it's cleanser. Yep. All right, now that we're all cleansed, typically I am a big fan of two main Korean skincare products. They are Torden and Mixsoon. My skin reacts really good to Torden when I'm in like hotter climates, so Torden is typically something I would use when I'm in Ghana. Now that I'm here in the States, I switched over to Mixsoon, which because I'm in a kind of like a fluctuating climate, my skin clearly like goes crazy, right? But nonetheless, skincare is here to stay the day. So I go in with their toner. I'm not gonna use all this. I just love how toner kind of just feels on your skin. Definitely good. Next I go with the hyaluronic acid serum. This is really good for freshness and hydrating your skin overnight. I also love hyaluronic in the morning because I believe, is that like Torden? Yeah, that's what Torden is in the morning. So, freshness. Okay. And then let's do the mask before the putting cream. Comes out like this, but I guess it's just supposed to be like this. Oh, it's actually a real face. So it's in two. You guys, skincare is amazing. After washing your face, after I just did everything, I did my toner. I did do the hyaluronic acid, but whatever. This is usually after your toner. Open the mask, remove the sheets, lower half of the face mask, and attach it with the mouth and chin. So they have a little piece. I look like a ghost. Boo. I will haunt you in your dreams. I will watch you while you sleep. Okay. So, I don't know what I'm supposed to put. They said better results can be showed in 3 hours. So, yeah, but if you guys want like maximum results, according to this collagen mask, 3 hours. I think the next time I take a nap, I'm gonna wear this mask. You guys, wow. I love how this. I do my little dancey dance. Okay. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna edit it and do a voiceover. So I'm gonna do that while I go to sleep. Wish I knew what's on your mind, that I wouldn't think it's something about